the nature walk with us. I can't show y'all any signs because y'all will know where I am. But I probably live far away from y'all. I don't live here. I just came to visit. Right? Mm-hmm. Look. Hi. Oh my goodness, I'm covering the bright sun for y'all. It's so bright. It is so naturey out here. Me like nature. Oh my goodness, there's fleas. Or is that flowers? Huh?
Gnats.
Gnats get in your eyes. Get past that big hurl of them. Well, let's keep going. The video is almost over again. So I'm just going to hold my phone and wait. And bye.